Good evening, one and all. A very warm welcome to the grand launch of our event today, the Lorven AI. My special thanks to our Honorable IT Minister, Mr. D. Sridhar Babu, all the dignitaries, the film fraternity, the media, my family, and my dear friends. Thank you for gracing this occasion. Oh my God, this is the day I've been waiting for. A dream come true for me. I'm really falling short of words now, but I'm here to talk about this logo. This logo speaks a lot. So before the launch, I thought I would ask every one of you, like, what is this about? Like, how did we derive this name from? At least now, any guesses? This because you know. Yes, it is from our belief, as we are the devotees of Lord Venkateshwara, we have derived this name from Lord Venkateshwara, Lord Venkateshwara. And the E, if you find, it is standing out, isn't it? Yes. E has a very, very strong significance, and even I am representing the color of E. So this has a very strong significance. This tells us about the passion. It is all about the spiritual divinity. So this is talking, it signifies the passion, power, the energy, the positivity, and purity. So we have taken the colors from red and yellow, which means purity, prosperity. Red is vermilion, and yellow is turmeric. So that is how we have bought this color. So E speaks a lot. It is the technology and entertainment hand in hand. That is also one of this E. And there is something about A as well. So when the logo was playing, did any of you guess about the A? Yes, it is the 7 hills of Lord Venkateshwara, the 7 hills of Tirumala. Yes. So this is about Lorven AI. I would like to speak some few words about Lorven AI. So it actually began with a small idea, and that has been a spark that has been fueled by Mr. Dilraju's vision, and it came out to be this way. So AI and entertainment is going hand in hand. Lorven stands as a reflection of the values that Mr. Dilraju carries very closely. And Lorven is the future, what we believe, because AI is the future, and Lorven AI is working towards the future, and we are in the future. That's what I believe. And on this occasion, I would also like to thank Sanjay, Mr. Sanjay and his team. I don't know, I couldn't find him. Mr. Sanjay. Yes. So he would not like me calling as Sanjay and team. I know. He wants to be called as Quantum AI Global and team. So yes, thank you so much, Quantum AI Global and team. Your relentless dedication towards building this tool means a lot. It holds a great significance. Thank you so much. I know I've been bothering you throughout, but can't help. Until, you know, success speaks, I have to be behind you. So, and coming to my team, the Lorven AI team. Where is the team, please? Oh my God, without this team, we would have not landed here today. We would not have been celebrating the great launch today. Mr. Naga, Rakesh, Anusha, Sharon, Azar, you didn't work for our company. That is what I've believed. You have owned the company. That is why Lorven is what it is today. Thank you so much for believing in us and working towards our goal. And I need to talk about a very, very special person, the architect the intellectual powerhouse, the brain behind Lorwin AI, is none other than my husband, Raj Garu. Thank you so much. Your vision is really awe-strucking. Oh my God, you are really thinking about the future. And you know, even we couldn't dream about it, we couldn't even think about it, and you found the missing piece in the puzzle. Thank you so much. Thank you for the belief in me, for encouraging me. Because of you, this is what I am today. Thank you so much. And thank you all for gracing this occasion. There are many more things, so I don't want to bore you up with more things. So thank you so much.
For more videos like this, subscribe Big TV channel.